Renato Moicano set to go down against Brian Ortega. If you're asking me, I think this is a tough fight for Renato Moicano. Let me explain why. Moicano is a good fighter. I ain't gonna lie, submission game is top notch. Got only submitted by Makhachev, and Ortega is also a submission specialist, which could be a problem for Renato Moicano. Moicano prefers ground game. He destroyed even Benoit Saint-Denis on the ground, which is good. But destroying Ortega on the ground is almost impossible. And as much as I want to see Renato Moicano winning, I don't see it happening, especially in this type of fight, because Renato Moicano doesn't have better submission offense or defense than Brian Ortega, and Ortega knows to box pretty fairly. I think stylistically this is an extremely difficult fight for Renato Moicano, and stylistically I believe Renato Moicano cannot win this fight, so going with Ortega.